Welcome to Sandy Escapes, friends. Today we are talking about what makes Copacabana Beach so special, and why do people love to visit. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. First, the beach is surrounded by stunning views. On one side, you have the sparkling blue ocean, and on the other, you can see the impressive mountains and city skyline. This mix of natural beauty and urban scenery makes it a unique place to relax and have fun. People from all over the world come to Copacabana Beach to enjoy the sun, sand, and sea. Many visitors like to sunbathe, lying on the soft sand under colorful umbrellas. The warm weather makes it a perfect spot for swimming, and the gentle waves are ideal for both beginners and experienced swimmers. One of the things that makes Copacabana Beach so famous is the vibrant atmosphere. You'll see people playing beach volleyball, football, and other sports along the shore. Families come to spend time together, building sandcastles, splashing in the water, and enjoying delicious snacks from the beach vendors. The beach is also known for the beautiful bikini girls who stroll along the shore, adding to the lively and fun environment. They often play beach games, take selfies, and enjoy the sunny weather, making it a favorite spot for people watching. Overall, Copacabana Beach is a place where people of all ages and backgrounds come together to relax, have fun, and enjoy the beauty of Brazil. Whether you're there to swim, play, or simply soak up the sun, Copacabana Beach offers something for everyone, making it a must-visit destination. Thanks for watching, and like, comments, share.